In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate messages on WhatsApp. If you chat with friends, family, or colleagues who write in another language, translation can help you keep conversations flowing without guesswork. I'll walk you through simple, reliable ways to translate what you receive and what you want to send, using tools already on your phone or computer. Start by opening the WhatsApp chat with the message you want to understand. On iPhone, the most consistent approach is to copy the message and use the built-in Translate app. Press and hold the message, tap Copy, then switch to the Translate app. Paste the text and let it auto-detect the language. If it doesn't detect correctly, set the From to Languages manually. You can also enable on-device translation in settings for extra privacy and offline use. When you're ready to reply in the other person's language, type your message in your own language. Translate it in the app. Copy the result and paste it back into WhatsApp. On Android, Google's Tap to Translate is fast and convenient. Open the Google Translate app once to enable Tap to Translate in settings. Now, when you copy a WhatsApp message, a small translate bubble appears. Tap it to see the translation without leaving the chat. To respond, tap Reply in that pop-up or translate your own text first, then paste and send. If you use Gboard, you can translate as you type. Tap the Translate icon on the keyboard toolbar. Choose the languages. Type in your language, and Gboard will insert the translated text directly in the message field. If you don't see the icon, customize the toolbar in Gboard settings. On a computer with WhatsApp Web or the desktop app, the simplest path is copy and paste. Highlight the message, copy it, then paste it into a translation site or app. If you prefer staying in the browser, some extensions can translate selected text, but make sure you trust the extension before using it with personal conversations. A few quick tips for accuracy and privacy. Always glance at the detected language and switch it if the result looks off. Shorten very long messages before translating to reduce errors, and be cautious with slang or idioms, which may not carry over perfectly. Avoid pasting sensitive or private information into third-party services unless you're comfortable with their data practices. And when you find a phrasing that works well, save it so you can reuse it later. That's it. Practical ways to translate messages on WhatsApp so you can read and reply with confidence.